Tina Patel for LJIT. Our subject is alternative fuel in power system in automobile branch. Today we discussion about chapter number 9, non-conventional IC engine. And today we discussion about the topic is what is a non-conventional IC engine and how it is work of this base example of non-conventional IC engine, the construction and working of vehicle engine and free piston engine. Let me start. First we discussion about what is a non-conventional IC engine. Means today our technology is some future in comparison this conventional IC engine. Okay, there are so many characteristics and this new feature technology, new advance and new design. Okay, it is a part of non-conventional IC engine is an engine used as a some other kind of mechanism rather than this reciprocating variant and to produce the rotary motion or producing the power and torque. And the base example of this vehicle rotary engine is the base example of non-conventional IC engine. So it is a part of known as non-conventional IC engine. Let me start. First we discussion about the what is a vehicle engine construction. So you can see the diagram, the how it is construction. This is a simple image of this construction of this vehicle engine and also the how it is work of this vehicle engine. So first this vehicle engine is a type of internal combustion engine. Is rotary design is convert the pressure into rotating motion. Means all part is rotate is constantly in one direction. In opposite common reciprocating piston engine is a piston is instantly rapidly change the direction at 180 degrees Celsius. You can see the diagram is continuously rotated. Means all part is rotated is one direction. How it is work? It is a simple construction of vehicle engine. You can see the next means how it is. The simplicity is the main reciprocating vehicle engine rotary design. The main advantage of this vehicle engine is simplicity, smoothness, components, high revolution per unit and a high power to weight ratio. Means it is a part of 3 power plus per rotor revolution. In a free two-stroke piston engine there is a 1 power plus per crankshaft revolution. Okay, it is a simple basic construction. It is an image of this vehicle engine how it is work. Okay, then second is what is a vehicle rotary diagram. Means how it is there is a 4-stroke cycle. You can see the diagram. Okay, and also the how it is work. The first is you can see the vehicle rotary design. This is the same is rotary design is converted is rotary rotated 360 degrees Celsius in 4-stage cycle. Which 4-stage cycle? You can see the first figure. The intake, then inlet, another is intake, then suction, another name is suction, then second is figure you can see the compression, then power, another name is expansion and exhaust stroke. So how it is work? The first is fuel charges comes in inlet port as shown in figure number 1. Then further charge, the fuel is charged is compressed and compression stroke. It is a part of as shown in figure number 2. And the power is provided the spark plug. Provide the heat source to ignite this charge and provide this power. Its shown is known as power and expansion stroke. You can see the figure number 3. And the last is figure number 4 means remaining gas and onboard fuel. It is a part of exhaust stroke. Means the rotary design is continuously rotary rotate 360 degrees Celsius and 4-stroke means 4-stage cycle. Which 4-stage cycle? Intake, compression, power, another name is expansion and exhaust stroke. So how next point is how it is working of vehicle engine. So first is vehicle engine the working. The working of vehicle this Wankel engine. Okay. Then second point is free piston engine. So you can see the first diagram of this free piston engine and how it is work. So first you can see the diagram. There is a 2-cylinder, 1 and 2 cylinder. There is a piston. There is exit inlet port and exit port. Also the back and this permanent magnet. So first you can see the diagram how it is work. The free piston means free piston engine is linear and crankless. In IC engines determine this interreaction. There is a not controlled by crankshaft but determine the interreaction of this combustion chamber gases and rebound device. Means piston is a closed cylinder and load device means linear is alternator. It is a part of free piston engine. Means the purpose of piston engine is provide to power, but free piston is there is no crankshaft. There is a linear, there is no crank. It is a crankless. It is a determine this interreaction force. Means the exit gas in combustion chamber gases turbine through linear means rebound device. At a part of piston is closed cylinder and linear alternator. Okay, means load device. It is a part of free piston and to provide this power to electrical motor. Okay, so what is how it is? Also the free piston engine, also the single, dual piston and opposed piston in 2 operating cycles. Means every half and hour cycles. It is a part of free piston engine. Okay, so what is a free piston engine? The first free piston engine is a linear crankless. There is no crank in IC engine in which the opposite relative there is not controlled by crankshaft but determine this interreaction this force from rebound device. Means the piston is a closed cylinder and load device means linear is alternator. It is known as free piston engine. Means the purpose of piston engine is provide to power, but free piston engine there is not controlled by crankshaft but determine this exit this gases through means turbine to the linear means rebound device and linear alternator. It is a part of free piston engine. Okay, so today we discuss about the first topic is non-conventional IC engine. What is a non-conventional IC engine? The best example of this non-conventional IC engine is Wankel engine. Second point is what is the construction of this Wankel engine, how it is work. Means how it is work of this Wankel engine. There is a 4-stroke cycle, 4 stage of this cycle in Wankel engine. And last is the free piston engine. Okay. Thank you.